Yo, good morning, man. Good morning, man. We up in here. Another day in paradise. Good morning to y'all. This is day 14. And yeah, I'm still here. I'm still standing, man. I'm still standing. You can't break me down like that. But yeah, man, y'all know how I go. Hit me with the likes, man. 100 likes. I'm asking for it. 100 likes, 75 I won't be mad. You know what I'm saying? What else? Comment, subscribe, share. Comment, subscribe, and share. What else? Tell somebody else. And check out the links, man. Please check out the links. Even if it ain't something that you can use, hit the link so it can transfer you over to Amazon so you can buy whatever it is that your heart is out. With that being said, man, we in the truck, we ain't hit the lottery, so we still doing our thing out here. I should have picked the camera up yesterday, man, because I was actually on the ground working on this thing, man. Yeah, man, Beelo was working on the company truck, man. Man, my dryer went out. And the truck won't hold no air pressure. Brakes locked up. I'm trying to figure out what's going on. My dryer just clicking. Like, man, what the fuck? I had to get on the ground. Plug the dryer, man. I had to plug the dryer. You stick your hand over where the air come out at, and it'll reseal itself. Like the valve was sticking on the dryer. I had to do that. Get it back to the yard, and yeah, so I was not in my truck yesterday. I was in another truck. That truck didn't have no heat, so yeah, it was crazy. But I hope y'all enjoyed that. Workout video, man. Just something I could share with y'all that, you know, gets into what I do. Sometimes I ain't gonna say I do it on a daily basis because I ain't consistent at all. But I want to be. I really do want to be consistent. So, yeah. But with that being said, man, let me go ahead and get out in this traffic. I'm gonna head over to South Memphis real quick. Take this old load over there, and I'll hit y'all in a second. Don't go nowhere. I'll be right back. The power of editing. I'll be right back. Yo, can y'all see me? Can you see me? You see me right here? We got duty, man, and we in the cam, dog.
Daddy, look out.
What am I looking out for? And we got Mama over there.
Daddy.
Man, we finna go dash as a family, man. The family dash. Before we go and get Nani.
Daddy.
What?
Yeah.
What's that?
I have Sonic shoes.
Yeah, you got Sonic shoes. What are they? Let me see them.
Okay.
Let me look. Put them in the camera.
Daddy, here.
They there? Oh wow, those are cool. You wanna go fast with those?
Yeah, I want to go fast with this.
Okay. That's what I'm talking about.
Okay. Sonic socks.
You got Sonic socks too? Oh yeah.
So basically, these are Vans. Now they know kids are crazy characters and all that. My bad. They coming out with the, like, back in the day, they wouldn't have had no shoe this stylish like this. They probably had the little bobos or whatever.
Right.
I think I'm
So now they catching on to the drift, cause women nowadays, you know, they not buying too many Jordans and J's for their shoes. I mean, for their kids all the time. They buying the light up shoes, cause that's what the kids like.
Right.
So now they came up with this shit. Can y'all believe that? And they charge it. But they cute though.
They charge them for sure. So yeah, man, we finna dash. We finna turn on both dashes, man. We finna turn on my dash and her dash. And we finna get it like that. See what we can get. Combine the pot. Take the pot. Do what we need to do with it. So, yeah, we're finna see how this go. Who knows? We might turn this into a thing. Add to the bag. Y'all stay tuned. Y'all know what to do. Finna get out here, man. And I'll be showing y'all how it go. We're probably gonna get orders like back to back. Like the car ain't gonna never stop moving. With both of the dads on, I know it ain't. The thing is, like, I hope we don't get no conflicting orders. Like going two opposite different directions and shit. Two opposite directions. But yeah, we're gonna get it on, so hit y'all in a second. Oh yeah. Told y'all, man, that dash the place to be, boy. Y'all don't understand. Y'all think I be playing. Y'all don't understand. Y'all think I be playing. That dash the place to be, dog. Doing good on the dash, man. Just made it back to the crib. Man, probably finna go back out, just to be real with you. Man, damn. I not already showed y'all how the money flow on the dash, so you don't need to show y'all that no more. But yeah, man, it's I'm telling you, man. And the promo finna hit. Extra money on top of the money you already make. Man, look. Y'all gonna stop playing with that dash. I'm telling you. We're gonna have us some. Man, once the Christmas over, we're gonna have us some car parts in a minute, man. I'm telling you. I can't wait to start back. I can't wait to get back in my element, man, and start back working on the cars anyway. So we gotta work on the box. We gotta work on MayRose. We gotta work on the Redbird. We gotta work on the Jeep. And shit, everything else my dad told me about bringing out. Gotta get it done. I promise you, y'all gonna like it. I promise you. I'm telling you. Man, the heat is on in here. It's hot enough. God dang. Nah. Do the man. What's wrong with you? What's wrong? You still sleepy? Huh? You still sleepy? You're not? What you acting like that for then? Whew. Nutty book up here watching TV, y'all. Huh?
Do you want to play a Vlogmas game? Oh yes.
Hey! Hey, Nutty! She been in her own little world just watching TV. You said what? Okay, she watching TV right now. She's so peaceful. You still need her?
I need to change her diaper.
Okay.
She watching TV. She's so cute.
Yeah, she watching TV. Like, she ain't even... She ain't tripping on nothing. She's like, hey, what's this on TV? I never seen it before. Now you paying attention to me. Trying to raise up. Why are you trying to raise up? Where you going? Now let's take pictures today, y'all. Look. Y'all see her fit. What are you looking at? What are you doing? What are you doing? You happy? You happy? Oh yeah. You happy, baby? You happy, baby? Huh? You get your hands? You get your hands in there? You get your hands? Yeah, man. So, yeah. But I'm gonna cut this short, man, cause it's about that time. I need to be trying to go ahead and upload. So let me go ahead and do that. Man, love y'all to death. Y'all know what to do, man. Subscribe, comment, 100 likes, share. Tell somebody else to share, and tell them to tell somebody else, and they tell somebody else too. Cause yeah, man, it's Beelo. Y'all, everybody wanna see me. But yeah, look how she looking at me. She like, nigga, don't nobody know you. Don't nobody know me? Don't nobody know me? Huh? Don't nobody know you, Dad? Don't nobody know you, Dad? Yeah. Anyway, it's your dog, man. Big Beelo, Mr. Animal himself. Checking out with another one. See y'all tomorrow, man.